Hello my friends, today we're going to talk about how to spray paint metal. Now, if you're dipping your toes in the DIY world, this is the perfect project to start with, and we're going to talk about 3 reasons why. If you're looking for budget-friendly home improvement advice where you can save more to do more, hit that subscribe button and let's get started. I love this metal lamp. It is the right size and it's the right shape to go on my nightstand that I will show you how I redid that with travel inspiration. But there are a couple things that I want to talk about when you are going to spray metal. First, when you're spray painting, you do, as you notice, I have it in a box because the spray speckles do go around. So you want to make sure that you protect your floor. Obviously, this is a terrible floor, but the walls were painted at the time. So I wanted to make sure that I protected that. The second thing is that when you are going to spray paint something, especially metal, you want to make sure that it's nice and clean so that the spray paint can adhere to the metal. And with this, there were a lot of nooks and crannies, so I really wanted to make sure that I got that. Another thing is that spray paint can give you a second life. So this was the right size and the right shape for me, but I still wanted a little bit of a change, so I was able to do a lampshade, and we're actually going to talk about how to update your lampshades in another video. But I wanted to show you how, again, it made the travel inspiration work for this room. For this second project, I wish I would have taken a better before picture, but I didn't. But what it was is an old chandelier that I reclaimed, but I hated the little pieces that were hanging off it. So I used an angle grinder and I grinded off these little leaf things. But I wanted to show you that there are 3 different types of spray paint that you can get. You can get glossy, satin, and matte. And there's also the Comfort Grip. Now, if you're going to be doing more than 1 or 2 spray projects, I strongly suggest that you do get the Comfort Grip, or you could always go for the can of spray paint that actually has the nozzle on it. But as you can see, I did the same thing because when you are going to spray paint metal, you really do want to make sure that it is clean of dust, clean of particles, and if it had like some type of paint on it before, you just want to make sure that you've scratched that down, lightly sand it to just clean it off. So what I did was, and if you notice, this is the new fence that we had put in that we talked about in the auger story that we did a couple weeks ago. So I did put a piece of paneling behind it so that I did not spray paint the new paneling. So you always want to make sure that when you are spray painting, especially metal, anything really spray painting, that you want to make sure that you protect the surrounding area because there is going to be residual paint that does fly off. It's not terrible, but you will find it in the most unexpected places. A second thing is when you're going to have something that has a lot of different kind of angles or crevices. You can see on the chandelier, it did have a lot of inside. You wanted to make sure that you got it. So that's why I hung it up a little bit above me so I could get below and I could get around it. So I think it's good to mention that this project took about 7.5 minutes to be able to get all the angles. And it was really nice to have the trigger action of the Comfort Grip. I don't think I would have purchased that product in the beginning for just like 1 or 2 spray paint projects, but I tend to spray paint a lot. I like to spray paint metal chairs. I like to do chandeliers. I like to do chairs. I like to do anything that I don't want to throw away. And again, that's one of my second things is that spray painting metal is inexpensive because it's maybe $4 to $6 for a can of paint that can absolutely give you new life, a few more years of something that maybe wasn't the right color you chose. You needed something to change it up. So that's a second reason that I wanted to do it. A third is this does not require a ton of skill sets. It's not like I had to learn a bunch of different tools in order how to spray paint. It's simple. You just spray and you point and you look to see where you didn't spray paint it before. So with a project like this, it does take you a couple go-arounds to do it, but at the end, it's really a simple project. This was reclaimed. Somebody gave me these for free. I did not like them they were a little outdated. So instead of putting them in my home, I actually chose to hang them outside. It's very trendy right now, or very nice to like have an outdoor space that looks really pretty. Well, I didn't want to spend a ton of money on something that was going to hang outside. I actually did buy something from the Big Lots store that was, I don't know, $30, $40. It was a kind of glittery chandelier, and I really liked it. But at the end of the season, it was all rusty and nasty, and the glitter kind of was in. And I thought for $40, I could have spent that some other way. So again, I am all about budget friendly. So I took this, again, grinded off the pieces that I didn't like. I spray painted it. It took me, I think, 2, maybe 3 cans of spray paint, which let's just average, that's $15. And then I hung it in the tree. And I put some glittery things. These gems right here, I found those in New York City. I saw Macy's hanging them down at Christmas a few years ago, and I thought that is the perfect thing in order to put on anything, but in this case, I just put it on the chandelier, and so far it's been going to. I said earlier on that it was trendy to have an outdoor space, but I should actually qualify that. I think that it is essential for you to have an outdoor space that lets you be comfortable, and it kind of reflects your personality. And for me, a chandelier and a tree with gems in it, if you know me, you know that that reflects my personality. And we love to sit on our swing set and enjoy an evening sunset just underneath the hanging chandeliers. So I hope that you've enjoyed this tutorial on how to spray paint metal. There were 3 reasons that I think that this is a great DIY project. First, it's pretty inexpensive. For a can of paint, you can make something that's metal look different and that you can still let it last in your home. Second thing is that it saved you some time. You didn't have to go out and shop and try to find, or you didn't have to go out and build something. You found what you've already liked. It just needed tweaked a little bit with some color, and that's pretty easy to find. There are tons of colors. Maybe it will take you a little bit of time to figure out what color you're going to go with, but you find the color of spray paint, boom, you're done. 3 is that the skill sets that it involves is pretty simple. It's you be able to look at it, observe what you need to do, and then spray paint it. You don't have to learn any different types of tools. So I hope that you've enjoyed this tutorial on how to spray paint metal, and make sure that you subscribe and look at some of the different projects that we've done. We love budget-friendly projects that help you to save more so that you can do more with your money and your time that you do have. Remember, if you want our ultimate home improvement guide where we help you go through each one of the areas of your home and see what kind of projects you do want to do, make sure you click in the link below and you'll get that free download. And if you're looking for some projects that you wanted to go in a little bit more deep, we offer 2 courses. The first one is how to do an acrylic calendar that's customized now that we can start planning our summers. And the second thing is, if you're interested in concrete countertops, we have a full course on how to go about pouring those in place, and we do an interview with people who poured it off-site and then brought it in. So make sure you check out those courses again in the description below. We have a link to those 2 items. Talk to you soon.